Hello guys, welcome to Civil Engineering YouTube channel. Here in this video we will talk about the size of steel bars used for the construction. Okay, this video will be very important for you if you are a site worker or a civil engineer. Okay, many students were asking me about the size of steel bars used in the construction or available in the market. Okay, so let us see point wise. First of all, what are the uses of steel? Okay, so steel bars are construction materials that is used to construct structure like building, bridge, accessory roads, tower, etc. Okay, so steel rods are used in the construction of building, bridge, accessory road, etc. Okay, you all know about it. Now it is used in concrete. Why the steel rod are used in the construction? Okay, so it is used in concrete to provide a tensile strength in the concrete, as the tensile strength of concrete is very less as compared to the compressive strength of the concrete. Okay guys, the structure made with concrete only is stronger in compression but weak in tension. Okay, so to provide tensile strength in the concrete we have to provide what? Steel rod. Okay, for example, this is a column. Then if we do not provide steel rod, then it may fail due to the tension force. Okay, but if we provide steel rod in the column, then it will be stronger in both compression as well as tension. So it may not fail in any of the force, due to any of the force, because we have provided steel rod. Okay, and the structure has become more stronger in compression as well as in tension. Okay, so now the main point is what are the uses of different size of steel bars. Okay, these are very important points, that which size of steel bars are used for which types of construction. Okay, so I have summarized here the most important points, from points you have to know. Okay, so 8 mm, 10 mm, 12 mm steel rods are used in the slab of the building. Okay, we can use these types of steel rod in the slab. Okay guys, this is not necessary to use this size of steel bar, but generally we use this size of steel bars in the slab. Okay, we should prefer design to use this size of steel bars. Okay, so next point is beam and column of buildings are constructed using 12 mm and 225 mm. Okay, columns and beam of the buildings are constructed by using 12 mm to 25 mm diameter of the steel bars, but it also depend on the load, design and span of the beam and column. Okay, we have to remember that it also depend on the design and span between the beams and column. Okay, our next point is steel bars have diameter 25 mm, 32 mm and 36 mm are used in hydraulic structure like dam, bridge, aqueduct and reservoir, etc. Okay guys, the size of steel which are more than 25 mm like 40 mm, 50 mm steels are used to construct a heavy structure which have to bear huge amount of load. Okay, like dam, aqueduct, reservoir. Okay, so the main points which we have to know is the finally for all structure which are available in the market, the size of steels are what? 6 mm, 8 mm, 10 mm, 12 mm, 16 mm, 20 mm, 25 mm, 32 mm and 36 mm. Okay guys, we cannot find 7 mm of steel rods in the market. We cannot find 14 mm of steel rod in the market. We cannot get what? 18 mm of steel rod in the market. Okay, we have to design a structure by taking this value as a standard value of the size of the steel rod. Okay, but if we required 14 mm of steel rod for the construction, then we have to order the company to make the steel rods of a size 14 mm. So guys, this much for today. Please like this video and subscribe my channel for new update about civil engineering. Thank you.
Through the wastelands, through the